Hey guys, it's Chris, and today's video is going to be a collab. I'm doing a hair challenge with a few other ladies. I'll have their links down below in the description box. So the challenge is that we are only given a specific amount of tools and we have to create a hairstyle with it. So the tools that I'm going to use are Flexi-rods and bobby pins. And my challenge is to create a tapered look with those two tools. So I'm gonna start off, my hair is in a braid out, an old braid out. I'm only gonna take these few braids down and roll them with the Flexi rods. I'm not too sure what I'm doing, but we're gonna see what we come up with. I wanna start on old stretched hair because it's a little bit easier to work with. I don't have to worry about drying time being so long. I might use a spritz of water or so. Thanks, babe. To help kind of set everything, but that's all I really plan to use. I haven't used Flexi rods in years. Okay, so let's start with the rolling. I'm gonna roll in small sections. What I'm gonna probably end up doing is sitting under the dryer to help speed things up. I'm gonna take for the front part, I'm gonna take these bigger rods for the front, and I'll use the shorter ones for the back, or the smaller ones for the back. So I'm gonna wrap this around the end. Do I remember how to do this? Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this around the ends, like so. And then roll, roll. And I'm holding it really taut so that when I sit under the dryer, it'll hold the curl. One and done, not really. I think this should be good because everything else I'm gonna like pin and tuck. So I'm gonna go do some other things, run some errands, clean up a little bit, sit under the dryer, and I'll be back for the styling. Alright y'all, so I'm back. It's been a few hours. It's time for the takedown. So first I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking these braids out so I can kind of pin and twist back the sides. Okay, so what I plan to do is kind of sleek this down and pin it together in the back somehow. So I'm gonna take a little, I have this Allicate Naturals leave-in. I dilute it with water so it'll last longer. So I'm gonna spray a little of that into my hands, and I'm just gonna use it to not lay my edges because I'm not really into that, but I'm just gonna smooth the edges of my hair here and on the side here. All right, so I can't really like cornrows, so I'm gonna twist them to the best of my ability. So I'm just gonna kind of twist it going back like this, kind of like this, okay? Okay. Okay, so think of it as like a flat twist. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm doing. All right, I hope you all can see this. My footage cut off a little bit, but I'm doing a flat twist basically back here. So I'm gonna flat twist and then actually continue to twist this part here all the way down to the ends. Now here's where all these bobby pins are going to come in, since those are the only tools y'all said I could use. Alright, so I have it like this. So what am I going to do? Okay, I am going to pin it. Shoot, how am I going to pin this? I'm hanging on to this still, but I'm going to try to flat twist this other part. Maybe I can like bind them together. I don't know. This is a challenge indeed, oh my god. Okay. Alright, so I kind of twisted, okay, so those are twisted together. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So let me show you what I'm working with in the back. So this is what it looks like in the back. So since bobby pins are the only thing that I can use, I'm gonna twist it together here, and I'm gonna tuck and pin it into like this side part and hope it stays. Okay. Oh, wow, okay. I don't know what it looks like back there. Hopefully it looks good. All right, And now it's time for the takedown of the curls. Now this is gonna be like a box of chocolates. I don't know what we're gonna get. Hopefully these curls took. Kind of, oh, not really. It's okay, we're gonna make it work. Okay, we kind of got some curls going on, okay, a little. This is the one I was worried about, but it came out okay, okay. I'm gonna take out this top one. This is kind of interesting, okay. And then finally, this here, okay. This is kind of funny, okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cross this over a little bit because I feel like there's too much curl there. I'm gonna kind of pin it a little bit here and let this hang a little. I like this. There. Here we go. I think if I could do it over again, I would definitely use like a setting spray to smooth it down. Here's a closer up picture of the overall finished look. So the Flexi-rods actually did take pretty well. Given my tools, you know, if I had more than just the bobby pins and the Flexi-rods, I may have pinned this up a little bit differently, or if I knew how to braid, I may have braided it up, but I think it still came out pretty cute. In the comment section down below, let me know what you guys think. Be sure to check out the other ladies' videos. I'll have their video links in the description box below. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.